If at all my HR allow me, I will put a board outside my company that trespassers and your company representatives are not allowed to enter this premises. These were the words of one of my customers who had blacklisted my company as my past team members had failed miserably on their deliverables. For me, it was of utmost importance to rebuild the trust of the customer. I used leap of faith to win customers' trust and in turn business as well. What exactly this leap is? Hello everyone, I am Shah and welcome to our channel Experience Candles. LEAP stands for listen, empathize, act and prove. Let's start with listen first. In this case, I listened very carefully and patiently to what exactly happened. How a mistake from my team member caused problems to the customer on professional as well as personal level. Second step is to empathize. It was difficult for me to understand my customer's situation. However, I tried to empathize with him for the problems and the trouble he had gone through. This made him calm down and talk to me in a positive tone. Third step is to act. Only words can't repair the loss. I asked for his feedback to restore the trust in our brand. We offered him favorable payment terms and strict adherence to delivery terms for the next transactions. Fourth step is to prove. When it is a matter of trust, only one-time compensation will not work. In this case, we provided them better training and access to our supply chain team for non-occurrence of such incidents in future. How do you apply LEAP in your career? We are excited to know your stories. Please share your views, ideas and suggestions in comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.